So as far as I can remember, mixed media was a little scary, something that only certain people were able to do. But then as I started to learn about mixed media and kind of discover what it was, I learned that it was a very liberating process, a very simple sort of like do your own kind of thing technique. So what I learned through doing mixed media and experimenting, it's just about playing. So I would take out my paints, my gessos, my gels, and just create. So mixed media I love because it has no rules. There's nothing wrong or right about it. You just play and create, and every little accident turns into something magical and different. So mixed media is just for me a way to liberate without rules, without measuring, without having to do anything crazy. It's just something fun. So I'm not much of a card maker. I do a lot of tags, I do a lot of albums, mixed media projects, but cards are something that I've usually not really kind of stepped into because I've always felt intimidated, like cards need to be perfect. But I realized that cards can be your own sort of personal touch to anything that you make on them. So they're just a larger space, not quite as small as a tag, but not quite as big as an album. But they're a perfect size for you to create and layer and embellish. So in this class, I want to show you how you can take those techniques that you learn in albums and mixed media and apply them to a card that will be a keepsake for anybody that you give it to. So to a friend or a family member, create layers and dimensions with flowers and glitter and gel and all kinds of texturizing elements, including my memory hardware frames like this one here with my Dulce line. And you will discover a variety of techniques to create your own beautiful layered cards that will be done in a snap. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.